And NitroFX is a herbal tincture of the noni plant, and it has a high degree of nitrate concentration. Now you can get nitrates from things like beet greens and beets and broccoli and other vegetable sources. In the case of the noni plant, it has a high level of nitrates, and the body absorbs those nitrates through the mucous membranes in the mouth, also in the lining of the stomach, and it transfers through the red blood cells throughout the body and converts into a gas called nitric oxide. Now, nitric oxide is a unique gas. It's used by all the cells in the body. In 1998, 3 scientists were awarded the Nobel Prize in Science for discovering nitric oxide as a signaling molecule which actually relaxes the arterial wall, the muscles within the small arteries of the body. And from that point on, a flurry of research was performed worldwide, and different precursors for nitric oxide, L-arginine, citrulline, were heavily researched. And there are a lot of products on the market right now that use L-arginine and citrulline, and they're a great product. The reason I like the NitroFX over the L-arginine citrulline products is because a third of the population have difficulty converting L-arginine into nitric oxide. Point in case are people with diabetes. Diabetics secrete a chemical called asymmetrical dimethyl L-arginine, which inhibits the body's ability to transfer the nitric oxide from the L-arginine. And so in essence, you can take L-arginine, but it doesn't do you a lot of good as far as producing nitric oxide at the cell level. And there are lab tests that you can perform that will determine whether you have the asymmetrical dimethyl L-arginine, but that becomes quite expensive to do every patient that comes in the office. So I've chosen to use a different delivery system, which is the NitroFX, because it doesn't matter whether you have asymmetrical dimethyl L-arginine, you can still produce nitric oxide. Now the research shows that nitric oxide dilates the arteries of the artery wall and increases circulation. That's important because the more circulation you get to the body, the higher the oxygenation, the more efficient you are of delivering nutrients to the cells, and the more efficient you are in eliminating waste products from the body.